Hello, namaste. How are you all? I am fine. Hope the same from your side. Many times we see that everyone wants to be an attractive personality because we feel that whenever we go anywhere, others should come to us, they should speak to us, and we should be attractive. We should be liked by everyone. So what generally the girls do? They start having nice makeup, this and all. Boys start making a show off with the goggle, pant, this and all, nice clothes and all. But whether these things will make you attractive or whether there are other things which will make you more attractive. Yes, there are. I am going to give you 10 tips today how to be an attractive personality. First thing is, we should be real. Don't be fake. Don't act. Don't make a show off. As you are, that is good. So, people like your honesty. So, don't be fake. First thing is, be as you are. Real. Second is, be confident. That is, your smile, your way of behavior, it shows how you are confident. Losers are always nervous. Nobody likes them. And how you can be confident? As you start doing the work well, as you feel that you can do, you are successful, you become confident and keep on helping. And when you are confident, what happens, even others rely on you. When somebody tells you, okay, will you do this much work for me? Say yes, okay. Why they will tell you? Because you are a reliable person. Next is maintain conversation ratio. Ratio means whether you have to listen or keep on talking. No, listen to others, what they are talking. And even while listening, you should give response. Oh, yes, okay, I see. Is it so? Otherwise, there are some people, they keep on talking on themselves. They never listen to others. Don't do this. And next is, learn to even enjoy the jokes or laughing at yourself. Otherwise, what usually we do? We laugh at others. If anybody laughs at us, we get angry. Don't be like this. Enjoy. Even if someone jokes on you, enjoy the joke. And adjust to others. Respect others. That is very, very important. Because it is said that give respect, take respect. If we don't respect others, whether they will respect us? No. That is why we should know how to respect others. So give respect, take respect. And next is secret strategies. Otherwise, there are, suppose your friend tells you, see this problem I am having. Don't tell it to anyone, he tells. Immediately you go on spreading it to everyone. Is it good? Whether people will like you then? No. When people have told you to keep the secret, you should learn to keep the secret. And you are knowing, be a magnetic personality. Have friends, group, behave well. It is said that water attracts water, money attracts money. How water attracts water? Now the rivers, where they go, whether they flow to the desert and empty themselves? No, they go to the sea, ocean and empty themselves. Water goes or attracts water. In the same way, money attracts money. So you should behave in such a way that you should be attracted by people. People should feel like talking to you. People should feel like coming and meeting you. And you should know to tell no politely. It is not everything, whatever others ask you, yes, I will do yes. Some people feel that. They tell yes means they are considered to be good and attractive. No. If you can't, you should be able to tell no. That too, how? In a polite manner. Look at politicians, how they behave. You go to them with any work, whether they will say no. No, they will say yes, yes. I will do, they will say. They will never say no. Whether they do or the other, that is different. But don't be like that. Whenever we are able to do, we should say yes and we should do it. And even we should know how to tell no, that too in a polite manner. And be emotionally intelligent means you should be able to control your emotions. At the same time, you should understand the emotions of others as well. Otherwise, we see people shouting at others, getting angry or crying and all. Is it good? No. So you should know how to control your emotions and develop a positive mindset. That is very, very important. Develop a positive mindset. Don't be negative. If you keep on thinking negatively, what happens? You will never feel like doing anything, because you will feel that, okay, if I go there, if I get admission for that, if I am not able to complete that, if I am not able to do that work, you will be thinking negatively always. No. Think positively. Because I am telling again and again, there are many people who have asked me again and again, ma'am, I want to open a, what I can say, channel. Can I open it? I told him, yes, start it. No, what is in that? If you are not able to do it successfully, YouTube channel they want to open. Okay, you can leave it. No need to spend anything. At least you can try. Can you do it? Yes, start it immediately. Start working. Don't depend on others. You are knowing yourself. If you feel that you are having those qualities and you want to work on that, immediately start it. Have consistency and go on. Keep some time period. Okay, for 1 year I am going to see. If I don't have growth, I will quit it. Doesn't matter. Whenever you want, you can quit it. Till you feel like doing it, you can do it. So that is very, very important. Whatever you feel like you want to do it. And very important thing is, listen to yourself, not to others. what happens is we always listen to others. For example, someone tells you, okay, you are having all these graha doshas, go and do this, say now such and such a mandir. You go there, do it. But you never believe yourself. If yourself tells that you can do it, you should do it and start doing it immediately. So if you follow these tips, definitely you will be an attractive personality. Have a nice day.